Good morning, welcome back to JMS Exterior Cleaning. We are in Highcliffe this morning and we are on this blocked paved driveway and side of house and rear patio, which also includes block paving. As you can see, it's quite infected. A lot of dirt and grime, some moss and some weeds. I do like a challenge. The dirtier the better, I say. A lot of lichen, which is this form of the white stuff, form of algae called lichen. And in areas you have got black spot as well. And then we've got the side of the property. Obviously worse done side because it's a lot of shade. And then approaching the rear of the property, we've got block paving and a patio. So, very large area of block paving. And then round to the back, we've got this patio. Again, black spot all over it. Some areas of lichen. You can see what it should look like. And that's what we'll have it looking like by the end of the day. So we're going to do a low pressure clean. We're going to soft wash if necessary, and then I'll be back on a dry day tomorrow or the following day when it's really dry to brush in some kiln dried sand. And then this customer has asked me to also come back and to seal it. So I'll be returning to seal it, so you'll have a couple of videos on this one showing the before, during and after. But that is my mission for today. So if you're interested in any exterior cleaning, please get in contact. My name's Joe. Phone number is 07983 535345. Thank you. Good morning, welcome back to JMS Exterior Cleaning. This is the final video, all is complete. Pressure washed, roof sanded and sealed. Customer is very pleased, as am I. I'll just walk you back round. Still a bit damp from the sealer and a bit of rain this morning. Sealed it yesterday. So it has cleaned up, very nice, as you can see. And also the patio that we did as well. So yeah, very pleased with this pressure wash. If you're interested in any exterior cleaning, my name's Joe. Give me a call on 07983 535345. Thank you.